Hello guys, do you want to delete all of your unread mails in Gmail? Today's tutorial you'll learn how to do this. Open the Gmail on your PC and ensure you are logged in. Click on the More button on the left hand side of the screen. Now you click on All Mail. Next, at the upper part, you can find many options here. So you click on Read. Here is a list of all your unread mails. Now, to delete them at once, you click on the select button at the top here, and it has automatically selected or marked all of your unread messages. To delete them, you tap the delete icon here, just tap on it once and all your unread messages will be deleted. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next video, guys.